Okay, we're about to mix up our formula for the volcano.
My knees are going.
So that's 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate soda. Some washing up liquid till it just about covers the bicarb. And then we have to carefully mix the two together until it becomes a paste. And this is sometimes hard to do because it might come slopping over the sides. But if we're careful, we should get a nice little paste going. Okay, now when I add the food coloring, that's going to start a slow reaction, so we have to pop it into the top of the volcano as soon as we do that.
I'm going to paint the rest of the sides.
Now, and then put some vinegar in to complete the reaction, and hopefully we'll get a result.
Let's hope it works. Like last time.
Okay.
Last time it was cool.
Pop this into the volcano now. This is where you want to be pointing.
Up.
Okay.
Looks like it's camouflaged, doesn't it?
Now, as soon as I put this food colouring in, it's going to start a small reaction, so we're going to be pretty quick. I'm going to put about a quarter of a bottle maybe in. Give it a little stir as quick as you can.
Dad, the reaction's starting.
Reaction starting. So we top it off now by putting a splash of vinegar in.
This is looking good. Whoa. Is the vinegar meant to go down sides?
Well, it's a nice
Eruption.
red lava coming over there.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
The best. It isn't coming down the other side.
It's doing what it would do in a proper volcano. Comes down the weak side first.
I think that's the best eruption we've had.
That's a good eruption, that, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Not too fast, not too fizzy.
And not too red.
I think it looks a lot like lava, that.
Yep. A lot like a lava.
All that's missing is a big loud noise in the smoke. There you go.
I think that was. Would it work if I blew up the microwave?
Now we've done this out in the grass because, as you can see, the lava pretty quickly gets to the bottom and would spill over to any tabletop. So the best idea is to put it onto a tray.
Shall I get tissue? Okay.
Put it onto a tray so that when you do your eruption it gets caught by the tray. And you're not messing up any tabletops or whatever. Okay, that was our eruption.